In this video, we will show the best hairdryers in India 2020. At number 1, Philips hair dryer. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, SYSKA hair dryer. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Havells hair dryer. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Choba hair dryer. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Nova hair dryer. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Hana hair dryer. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 7, Wahl hair dryer. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 8, Vega hair dryer. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 9, Rozia hair dryer. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 10, Remington hairdryer. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.